Good morning, Clay.Thompson here at Guaranty RV Center. Today I'm going to show you a 2019 Chaparral 298 RLS. Come on inside, let me show you the features. This is a great mid-kitchen floor plan. Notice the island with the sink. Nice sink covers. Double bowl stainless steel. Kitchen sink, island. 4-door fridge, freezer, oven, large oven here, nice 3-burner cooktop with glass cover, can be used as a countertop when not being used for cooking. Nice size microwave there, it's all in the slide. Exhaust fan in the kitchen with the fantastic fan above. Nice theater seating, overhead cabinetry, all LED lights throughout. Very easy to watch the nice great big Furrion TV with the fireplace, the stereo system that plays your music, your DVD, Bluetooth, USB ports, as well as when you're camping you get to take pictures and use your SD card to check out your pictures on the big screen. Nice big couch here, plug-ins on both sides. Again, overhead cabinetry. The living room ceiling fan. This is going to have the freestanding dinette, table and chairs with extension leaf. These are a very well insulated coach. This is a vacuum bonded floor, so you're not going to feel give between cross members. It's solid all the way through. Nice little nook here in the kitchen with the great big drawers. And a nice special feature here is having the big pantry with a plug-in. And when we have power to this unit, there is a light switch that will come on when you open the door, so you don't have to look around for a light in the dark to see what's in the pantry, as well as a motion light in the bathroom as well. Upstairs here, have the nice assist handle here. Nice big bathroom. It's got the very big shower with huge skylight, porcelain toilet. Nice vanity sink here with the closet in the bathroom. Coming into the bedroom. This one's going to have a second AC, 50 amp service to the unit. Nice big bed with windows on both sides for ventilation. Storage underneath the bed. Closet area. This is going to have a washer and dryer. It's kind of unique for something of this size to also have that feature of having a washer and dryer connections in a small fifth wheel like this. Nice big closets on both sides. Plug-in outlets on both sides of the bed. More closet space over on this side. And storage underneath. This one has the wall mount for the TV. TV is optional in the bedroom. And a nice dresser drawer area here in front. This has the 3-step aluminum tread step walking in and out. Nice large white door entry. Large patio awning, backlit with the LED light strip. These guys use Asdel in their coach, therefore that's a lighter feature than wood. It's a non-wicking material, therefore it's going to eliminate delamination, as well as offer an insulation and a sound deadening factor. So very good product to be used in an RV, and only a few use them, and these happen to be one of the guys. Nice big slide here. This one's going to have the large TV outside, refrigerator, little countertop here that pulls out, and a 2-burner cooktop that pulls out here, all metal. for our outside utility area. Very nice feature. And when we have room to open this up, this becomes a rain cover as well, or a shade. Nice ladder going up to the top. Receiver hitch out the back for your bike rack or whatnot. Pre-wired for a backup camera. This is going to have the auto leveling system as well. Again, like I said, 50 amp service. It's going to have your larger wheels and tires than what you're going to find on most fifth wheels of its size, as well as a nice looking wheel. Then we open this up to the access to the basement with the docking station. Everything's enclosed here, outside shower. Your waste valves are up in the insulated area, so this is a sealed and enclosed underbelly that's heated. As well as having the battery disconnect in here and our auto leveling system out of the weather. And as we look up here, we can see that the insulation package in the basement as well, with the foil insulation. Real nice feature. And then this has little lights here underneath the slide out, so at nighttime there's little button lights on the corner, so to help remember that there's a slide there and we don't run into it. Usually only happens once if you run into it and you remember the next time. Then you have the cold basement storage up front. We supply 2 new batteries when we deliver it, as well as fill the propane tanks. And then you also, this is separated from the sealed underbelly in the heated side, so I call it the cold basement. Pre-wired here for the briefcase style portable solar system. It's a nice feature, as well as having the nice new end cap here. That's a great feature. Looks nice, helps break the wind, and helps turning those sharp corners without hitting the back of the cab of the truck. Exterior backlit speakers here, as well as a mount for a TV. 1 tank on each side, so we have 2 total. The LP tank. Magnetic catches for the baggage doors. Nice big access into the basement with our TV plug-in, antenna, and 110 there. That wraps it up in a quick video here to show you the new Chaparral by Coachmen. That is the 298 RLS 2019 model. Again, if you have any questions with our inventory here at Guaranty RV Center, remember to ask for Clay.Thompson. My direct line is 541-979-1770. Thank you and have a great day.